How to use delay delivery in Outlook. So here I am in the classic version of Outlook, or the Outlook application for the Microsoft 365. And then if you are using this version of Outlook, there is a feature called delayed delivery. So basically what that is that you can go ahead and schedule a time for your email to be sent. So for example, let's go ahead and use that. We can go ahead, create a new email right here. So let's say I send this to my other email, and then you can just put a subject right here, delay delivery test. And then you can go ahead and enter the content of your email right here, email test, delay delivery. So I'll just put it like that. And then you can use delay delivery by going to options, and then you can see the feature right here that says delay delivery. So as you can see, when I hover my mouse over it, it will say that you can specify a specific date and time at which this message should be delivered. So we can click that, and then it will display this properties window. And then now you have the delivery options, and then you have this option right here that says do not deliver before the specific date right here, and then the specific time. So let's say we will deliver this at Monday, April 27, and then we will send this message at 9 a.m. And then that is it. So that means that this email should be sent at April 27, 2026 at 9 a.m. or more specifically 9:01. Or no, I think it's exactly 9 a.m. because it says right here, do not deliver before 9 a.m. So when the clock hits 9 a.m. on April 27, this email will now be automatically sent. So we can do that by just clicking send right here. And then what will happen? That email will be saved in your outbox right here in Outlook. And then you will see the email be right here. So it will just wait until it reaches the time that it needs to be sent, which is April 27 at 9 a.m. So you can still go ahead and double click on that email, and then if you want to make some changes, you can still make the changes since the email is not sent yet. So when you go to options, you can go ahead, click delay delivery, and then you can still see the same settings right here. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can use the delay delivery function right here in Microsoft Outlook. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.